In today's video, I will show you exactly how I get free ApeCoin and how you can do the same. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I have invested into ApeCoin, and ever since I bought in, it has been extremely volatile. There were days where I was down $10,000 on my investment, and other days where I was up $5,000. But I am holding for the long term. I'm not going to settle for a $5,000 profit, and I'm definitely not going to sell when I'm down $10,000. I believe April is going to be a huge month for ApeCoin. So I'm definitely holding on. I'm not selling. I'm not taking profits. I know what I'm doing is extremely risky, and a lot of people would have taken profits. Guys, do not do what I do. Do the total opposite. You're probably going to end up making more money. I like taking extreme risk, sometimes even when I don't have to. But in this video, I'll be showing you how I'm taking the ApeCoin that I purchased and I'm using it to earn more ApeCoin. As you guys know from my previous video, staking is not coming to ApeCoin anytime soon. And if there is a proposal that gets approved, it will take months and months before it's actually implemented, before it's actually developed, where we can take our ApeCoin, stake them, and start earning rewards. Right now, a lot of ApeCoin investors are simply sitting on the sidelines, holding their ApeCoin, waiting for this metaverse game to be released, waiting for staking, and waiting for those massive profits. Ever since I purchased ApeCoin, all I've been doing was holding. I'm not day trading. I'm not doing any of that stuff. I'm simply holding for those massive profits. Even though it is extremely risky, extremely volatile, I'm willing to hold long term. And that is my plan. That is my strategy. But yesterday I was scrolling through some exchanges and I came across an opportunity that will allow me to use my ApeCoin to earn even more free ApeCoin. I have been using this method on this exchange for over 2 years now, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it with Theta Network, with USDT, and a bunch of other coins to grow my positions. But for some reason, I completely overlooked ApeCoin. I saw the opportunity and I immediately jumped in to earn some free ApeCoin. And my first day doing it, I earned 5 free ApeCoin. No guys, I'm not trying to promote some Instagram, some Twitter fake scam account where I ask for ApeCoin or any of that stuff. I'm also not going to ask you to message me on WhatsApp like those scammers in the comment section below. This is a legit way to earn some free ApeCoin. And now, without wasting any more of your time, let me show you exactly how it's done. So to start earning some free ApeCoin, you are going to need 2 things. The first one is obviously some ApeCoin. The second one is a KuCoin account. If you don't have a KuCoin account, click on the first link in the description box below. Sign up. It literally takes 2 minutes. You don't have to verify your identity. No KYC is required on this exchange. I have been using KuCoin for multiple years. It is literally my favorite exchange to use. They have some amazing features, and if you use that link below, you'll be able to get even lower fees. So make sure you check it out, and now let me show you exactly how it's done. So once you sign up for a KuCoin account and you deposit your ApeCoin, you'll be ready to start earning some free money. If you already have a KuCoin account and your ApeCoin is already on it, you're all set and you're ready to go. So the first thing that you have to do is open up the KuCoin app. Once you open it up, it will look something like this. And then all you have to do is click on the tab that says Crypto Lending. Make sure you click it, and then it will take you to this page. On this page, you are going to click on USDT at the very top, and then it will bring down a drop menu where you are able to select which coin you want to lend out. As you can see, KuCoin has a huge selection of different coins that you can lend out to earn some passive income. You can also lend out stable coins such as USDT, USDC, and a bunch of other ones to earn some free passive income. The interest rates are pretty great, and in my opinion, it is one of the fastest, easiest ways to earn some free money. And then we're going to scroll down and we are going to select ApeCoin. As you can see, the annual interest rates for ApeCoin are absolutely insane. Some are 100%, others are 182%. KuCoin allows you to lend out your ApeCoin for 7 days, for 14 days, all the way up to 28 days. These are pretty much micro loans that KuCoin gives out to like other institutions, other traders that pretty much take out the ApeCoin as a loan, and then they pay interest, and then the interest is split between you and KuCoin. But the rates, in my opinion, are absolutely worth it. I have been lending out my KuCoin literally for 1 day, and I have already made 5 free ApeCoin. In my opinion, this is a great long-term strategy, especially if you plan on holding ApeCoin for the long term. But keep in mind, if you do decide to lend out your ApeCoin, let's say for 7 days, it will be locked up for 7 days. You won't be able to sell it. You won't be able to trade it, withdraw it, any of that stuff until the loan is paid off. It will take up to 7 days. But a lot of times, the loan is paid off within a couple hours or within a day or two. But there has been loans where I had to wait the full 7 days in order to get the money. But the longer your loans are active, the more free ApeCoin you're going to receive. So if you give out a loan for 7 days and it is repaid like 2 days later or 3 days later or the same day, you're still going to earn ApeCoin, but it's going to be a very small amount. The longer the loan is out there, the more free ApeCoin you are going to receive. This strategy is not for day traders where you constantly buying and selling ApeCoin. This is more for the long-term holders. Or if you don't plan on selling in the next 7 days or in the next 14 days, it'll be a great way to accumulate some more free ApeCoin. And that is exactly what I'm doing. And now let me show you the following steps. And then all you have to do is select the interest rate that you want to lend out your ApeCoin for. We're obviously going to pick the first one for this example. And right now it is at 167.9%, which is absolutely insane. So we're going to select it for 7 days. And then we are going to press lend. And then once you press lend, you will enter in the amount of ApeCoin that you want to lend. You can lend all your ApeCoin. You can lend one. You can lend as many ApeCoin as you want. Once you enter in the amount of ApeCoin that you want to lend, for example, we put in 1,000 ApeCoin. You are able to select your terms. You can do 7 days, 14 days, or 28 days. It doesn't matter. It is all up to you. But for this example, we are going to select 28 days. And then it will show you your interest rate. Right here, you are able to change your interest rate. You are able to decrease it, increase it. It all depends on you. But the lower the interest rate, the higher the chances of your loan being fulfilled. So keep that in mind. So we're going to keep the interest rate absolutely the same. And then at the very bottom, it will show you exactly how much free ApeCoin you are going to earn. So if we lend 1,000 ApeCoin for 28 days at an interest rate of 0.468, we are going to earn 131.04 free ApeCoin. At the current price, that is almost $1,400 of free ApeCoin in one single month. But guys, that all depends on how long the loan is out there. A lot of the 28-day loans, they get returned within a couple days or within a week. So instead of earning 131, you get to earn like 10, 20 free ApeCoin. Keep that in mind. But what I like to do personally is re-lend everything over and over again. So for example, if I lend out 1,000 ApeCoin and then a month later it comes back and now I have 1,100 ApeCoin. I lend out the full amount, the full 1,100 ApeCoin, and now I'm earning even more. So it's constantly compounding and constantly earning me free ApeCoin. I do this with a ton of different coins, and I'm excited that ApeCoin has this feature. But keep in mind, guys, the interest rates that you are seeing right now are extremely high. And over time, and as more people find out about this strategy, the interest rates are going to go down simply because more people are going to be lending out their ApeCoin so they can earn more. And when there are more people lending, interest rates tend to drop. But I didn't want to keep all this to myself. I want my subscribers to earn some free money as well. This, in my opinion, is one of the most easiest, most secure ways to get some passive income to grow your positions. So definitely check it out. It is super and easy. If you have any questions regarding this method, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer and help out as much as I possibly can. Hopefully over the next couple of months, I'll be able to grow my position even more. And as always, guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Check out that KuCoin link, sign up, create a free account, and start earning some passive income with your crypto. Like, follow, see you in the next one. Peace out.